When you're considering a home purchase, insulation is probably not the first thing on your mind. Yet it has a tremendous impact on your comfort and operating costs. Through the use of air sealing, increased insulation, and triple pane windows, our net zero homes reduce outside noise and drafts, while maintaining a constant temperature throughout, regardless of whether you're in the basement or the top floor. Let's hear from key industry representatives to find out how their products improve the comfort of a net zero home.
Windows and doors play an integral role in the construction of a net zero home. With windows taking up approximately 10% of the exterior envelope of the home, making the right choice is critical. For this reason, we have engineered the glass package using variant low emissivity, or low E. Low E glass has a microscopically thin transparent coating that reflects heat. When the interior heat tries to escape during the winter, the low E coating reflects the heat back inside, reducing heat loss. The reverse happens during summer, with low E keeping the heat out and the cool air in. Jeld-Wen vinyl casement windows are equipped with multi-point locking systems and multiple points of weather stripping to provide the tightest seal against the elements. All the windows in the Reed's Heritage Net Zero Discovery home have a 2-inch exterior vinyl extension and a 7 3/4 interior jamb to accommodate increased wall thickness, thereby producing a more energy-sound envelope. These triple pane windows allow the homeowner to control the interior temperature much better than the traditional dual pane windows. Noise and condensation are also reduced because there is a greater separation between the interior and exterior of the home.
Owens Corning is not only an insulation manufacturer, we are also a builder solutions provider. And one of the solutions that we are providing to builders is the Owens Corning Codeboard air barrier system that you can see behind me. The insulation literally wraps the home in a blanket of pink insulation and also acts as the air barrier, delivering significantly airtight levels. Air leakage accounts for 30% of the cooling loss of a home during the summer months, and it accounts for up to 40% of the heating loss during the winter months. So air tightness is extremely critical. A typical home comes in at 3 to 4 air changes per hour. And what that means is that all the air in the home changes over 3 to 4 times an hour, which means you have to condition that air. So you're either heating it or cooling it 3 to 4 times an hour. Better is the Energy Star home, which Reed's builds as a standard. That Energy Star home comes in at 2.5 air changes per hour. And the best will be Reed's Heritage Net Zero homes, which will come in at 1 air change or less, which means that home will be virtually draft free and will be very, very efficient to heat and to cool, putting money back into the homeowner's pocket.
Another way to understand air changes per hour is to imagine all of the air leaks in a home as a single hole in the front door. The less efficient a home, the bigger the hole through which heated or cooled air escapes. In homes built prior to 1980, this hole would measure between 16 and 20 inches. Homes built after 1990 would have a 12-inch hole. While the current industry-leading standards would be equivalent to an 8 to 10-inch hole, net zero homes lead the energy efficiency trend by reducing this imaginary hole to only 6 inches.
When we do blower door tests, typically they're done at the pre-delivery stage, so when the home is ready to be turned over to the homeowner. In this case, we're going to be doing a blower door test at the framing stage. So no insulation poly or drywall on the walls. The windows will be in, they'll be sealed, the doors will be in, and they will be sealed as well. And then we'll do the blower door test. So at pre-delivery, this home will come in at 1 air change or less. And I'm expecting this home to come in at probably a level of 0.6.
As you can see, net zero homes reduce the gap on inefficiencies by maximizing air tightness and saving on energy bills. Thank you for watching. We invite you to view our next video in the Discover Net Zero Home series.